Hi, Assalamualaikum and good evening everyone. I am Zura Marican, a Thermomix Super User and an advisor. We will make Rendang Nasib Cili and Pulut Kuning. This is a local dish that is very close to my heart because this is one of my favorite dish. Okay, let me share the ingredient. Like in this bowl, we have the limper or spleen and lungs. What I've done with this is to actually boil them for about 30 minutes, and after it has cooled down, cut it into small pieces. And in this bowl is the glutinous rice, which I have soaked with turmeric and also asam keping. Okay, let's start with the pulut. I'm going to go a little back to the sink to actually drain this using our varoma set. While waiting for it to drain, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start sauteing the ingredient for our rendang. What we need is oil, onion, garlic, turmeric, and because of the name chili api, we're going to use chili api. Then we're going to blend for 20 seconds. Speed 5. We will scrape it. Scrape the side. This is how it looks like. Okay, now we're gonna saute for 4 minutes. Okay, 120 degrees. Spoon setting. And don't forget to put your simmering basket on top to protect from any splashing. And while we are waiting, I'm going to start preparing our pulut because it has already drained. And then I'm going to add the pulut with the daun pandan. Pulut kita pun kita dah pre-make. So our pulut is already half cooked. Okay, sebelum kita sambung dengan pulut kita, kita add the next thing in this next ingredient in our rendang. We will add the lungs and also the spleen, limper dan paru. Dan kita akan masukkan santan, kita akan masukkan juga kerisik, kita akan masukkan gula melaka. Okay, then we will add the kaffir lime leaf and also the daun kunyit or turmeric leaves. I like to cut them in small strips. And we continue for this process. But before we go on with this, okay, for our pulut, we will add santan, and in the santan we already mix the salt. Done. We will cook this for 15 minutes. Varoma, reverse spoon. Okay, now our dish is done. Okay, first, let me take out the pulut for you to see. You can see the steam coming out from the pulut. And the rendang is done. See? All the steam coming up. Okay, so now let's go with the plating. I will put my thermoserver closer to me so that I can put all the rendang inside. Let's go with the pulut. I'll put away the daun pandan to the side. As you can see, I'm going to plate this nicely, just for someone to have it straight away. This is the dish from me tonight. Rendang Nasib Cili Api and Pulut Kuning. I do hope that you will try it and enjoy it. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye!